guys, it's Sheila, also known as Onyx Beauty 1988 here on YouTube, and today I'm here to share with you guys a tutorial on how I achieved this gorgeous hair color using the Via Natural Living Color Collection. I absolutely love their hair dyes because they're so effective and they're great for your hair. They leave your hair soft and moisturized yet still strengthened, and I absolutely love it. So let's go ahead and jump right into this tutorial. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is to pre-lighten your hair. So go ahead and bleach your hair. Keep in mind, the lighter that your hair is when you start, the brighter and more vibrant that the hair color is going to be in the end. So keep that in mind, especially if you're doing this platinum look. You definitely want to make sure you're starting with blonde hair to begin with to get the best results, to get these type of results, okay? So I went ahead and I sectioned the wig off into several different sections just to make it super easy to work through. So I put the color in a bowl and I just use a brush for easy application, and I just took small pieces and made sure that I saturated the hair evenly. I took my time, do smaller sections so that way you're able to make sure that you get everything coated so you don't miss any spots and everything is nice and beautiful and even. So I did that throughout the hair. Then I went through and just kind of combed it through, and then I put a plastic bag over my wig and I left that on for about 25 minutes, maybe a little bit longer because I was catching up on some YouTube videos. So I left it on there, and then once I took that off, I just shampooed and conditioned my hair. I did use a purple shampoo and conditioner, which I would highly recommend for this hair color. It just will make sure that your hair is maintaining kind of more of a cooler tone. That's what I did with in terms of that. I just let my hair air dry and then I flat ironed it, and here we are, and my hair is super soft. It has plenty of movement to it, like it's moisturized. Like some hair color will dry your hair out, but because of the keratin in this, the moisturizing and straightening properties of this hair color, it's good for your hair. So I love the fact that you're able to get bright hair colors without damaging your hair. And you can tell, even when it comes to weave like this, you can tell when hair is damaged. It's all stiff, it doesn't have any movement or body to it. You see how much movement and body this has to it, and also it smells really good. I absolutely love the smell of it. But as you guys can see, my hair is soft, like it's super soft, and that's how your hair should be when you're coloring your hair. So overall, I really like Via Natural. Their Living Colors line is gorgeous. They have amazing colors. I even have the Purple Passion as well, which I have not used yet, but I am looking forward to using it on another wig soon. The hair colors are so vibrant, and they leave your hair in better condition than it was before you used them. I just love this hair color, and you can pick it up at a local beauty supply near you. I love the fact that you can get it on the ground. They have it at plenty of beauty supplies in my local neighborhood, so definitely check them out in your local beauty supply stores. Also, thank you to Via Naturals for sponsoring this video. I greatly appreciate it, and it was so much fun creating this hair color. It was so easy and such a breeze to do, and I think that the results came out fabulously. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys soon for another video.